Hi guys, a very short one here. I want to show you how to install the Pixel tracker, right, or Pixel helper. So first thing you're going to do, and this is only available on Google Chrome, okay? So the first thing you will do is first you go into your Google search and you type in Meta Pixel helper, right? It's a Google Chrome extension, right? So you open it. Good. So as you can see on my own Chrome, it's already there and telling me to remove it from Chrome. So I wouldn't want to remove this, right? But in your case, it's going to tell you to add it to Chrome. And what this helps you do is when you have the Pixel on a particular website installed, as soon as you load up that website, this Pixel helper shows up like an extension, and it can tell, it fires, and it can tell when a user is on a particular page on that website, right? So for example, for this website which belongs to a client of mine, I'll open it. You then notice that the Pixel helper will show green. Yes, you can see it's green. And then what does that mean? It means this is the pixel for that website. You can see that this pixel is firing correctly and everything is good, right? And these are the things you want to see from your pixel helper. Very, very important. Very, very important to have this installed so that you know that data is being fired and the data is appearing correctly. So in the absence of stuff, that will be all for this video. Make sure this is the name of the extension, Meta Pixel Helper. Just add that to your website and you'll be good. Alright guys, see you in the next one.